Hi, I'm Evan with Buff Guys Detail. Today we're working on a 2020 Ford GT. Cue the B-roll. So this car came to us from Wade Kawasaki. He got a referral from the Ring brothers out of Wisconsin, the world-renowned car builders, who just happen to be recent good friends of ours. So Wade gave us a call a couple months ago and said that he had a Ford GT and he wanted a full correction, PPF, bumper to bumper, and a ceramic coating. So the car came to us with about 80 miles on it. It had had some previous performance work done to it. It was actually in pretty good shape. Definitely had some hazing from the initial sanding and polishing from the factory, but minimal correction was needed to get it to where it needs to be, or needed to be, before we install the PPF. One key thing about this car, as far as the paint protection film goes, is it has more pieces than any other car, probably, maybe even in the world. So this car is unique in that it has a lot of cooling tunnels and ducts. They're all carbon fiber and you want to protect those. So literally underneath the car, inside the wheel wells, we had to pull the wheels off to even get access to put some of this PPF down to protect this carbon fiber. And Wade was real specific. He wanted as much protected as possible. So with this car being such a dynamic shape, certainly looks fancy, but it causes a little bit more of a challenge when you're doing an install with film. So luckily for us, XPEL has the best patterns in the industry, and the film is very simple to work with. So we got it very well protected. Exquisite coverage of even the inner fenders and all the carbon fiber diffusers. So after the install of XPEL, we're going to top it with G-Technic Halo, which is their flexible film coating. That's going to give it the crazy hydrophobics and good UV protection for a few years to come. So as we needed to pull the wheels off to do some of the PPF work, we actually coated them as well. They are a full carbon fiber composite, very lightweight, and I'm guessing pretty expensive. But we wanted to put some extra protection on them for the hard driving conditions it's going to be experiencing in the next few days. It was a pleasure working on this 2024 GT for Wade. I hope he enjoys the car as much as we did.